Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to create a blog page and blog post on Squarespace. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official squarespace.com website right here if you have not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page where you want to go ahead and log into your Squarespace account. So go ahead and log into your account, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard right here where you can find all the websites that you have. So what you want to do is open up the website where you want to create the blog post for. So click on the website, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can find all the sections we can access, such as website, pages, styles, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to get started making blog posts. What we want to do first is to go ahead and open up the pages section right here. So by clicking on the pages section, this is going to open up all the pages that you have in your website. And guys, as you can see, currently I have already made a blog, but if you do not have a blog, what you can do is click this plus button right here next to the main navigation. This is going to enable you to add a new page, and under collections you can find this section that says blog. So you want to click on blog, and after opening a blog guys, it's going to open up this section where you can select what kind of template you want to use for your blog. You can select whichever you want, and after that it's going to create your blog. As you can see right here, I have my blog. Just go ahead and open it up, and now you'll be greeted by your blog where you can get started making your posts. So you can get started with clicking the edit button right here and get started with making your blog post, posting whatever you want, changing your images, and so on, and it's going to be applied to your website. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.